Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check that your home plan explicitly permits 5G while roaming and ask about roaming fees. Next, enable both 5G and data roaming in your phone settings so the radio can connect. Make a note of the required APN or carrier profile if your carrier needs one. Also prepare a charged battery and a backup SIM or eSIM plan for the destination. Once done, you'll be ready to move into connecting to local networks. Now connect. Scan networks and select a trusted local carrier that advertises 5G coverage, mmWave or sub-6 matter depending on urban versus wide area needs. If automatic provisioning doesn't occur, manually install the carrier profile or enter the APN settings your operator provided. This ensures data and MMS work. Make sure network mode is set to 5G/4G auto so your phone can fall back to LTE when 5G signal drops, which preserves Finish by verifying performance. Run a speed test and check latency to confirm you're on 5G and receiving roaming service. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, restart your phone, then reselect the carrier. If that fails, switch to your backup eSIM or physical SIM and try again. Make sure to double-check APN settings. If problems persist, contact your home carrier to confirm roaming provisioning and the local carrier to verify compatibility. This typically resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.